So we got 64 pounds of ground meat to make soppressata. So on 64 pounds, the formula is 40% of salt. So on 64 pounds, 40% equals to 25.6 ounces. Forget this 0.6, we go 25 ounce even, and here's the salt. So spread it all around nicely. So we got the salt. A little cheer from my glass too. That's okay too. But if you would put a little white wine, it will do good too. So there you go. Just, that's it. So we got the wine, we got the salt. Now we'll go with the pepper. Depends if the kids will eat that or somebody that doesn't like too much spice. But as far as I'm concerned, I like to bless it royally. So I'm not afraid to. I enjoy hot pepper, it's good. So don't be afraid. A little more to be sure. Okay, that's black pepper. Now, to put a little bit of black pepper. Just to give it some taste, a whole black pepper. When you make soppressata, put a whole black pepper. You just want the taste of it. That should be good enough. And a little bit of a salsa pepper. Just to keep it moist, it gives flavor. I think that's good enough. And you could put a little bit of but you don't need, once you put this salsa pepper, you don't need the paprika. It's best to do without it, otherwise paprika dries it out too much. So we're good enough. We're ready to mix. So what you do, just work it in it slowly.
How long do you usually mix for?
Oh, long time. You gotta mix it until it comes into a glue ball.
Do you add any more ingredients as you mix, or is
No,
this fine?
No, that's good enough. You gotta make sure that you mix it well. If you don't mix it well, you're gonna ruin the sausage, the soppressata.
And would you put these into your casings right away, or would you let it marinate for a day, or how do you do it?
You leave it until for 24 hours. You leave it to marinate. Then after 24 hours, keep it in a cold cellar and take it out and work it out again, mix it again, give it another good mix, and that's when you're ready to fill up your casings. And now I think I have to put my gloves, otherwise my hands are going to burn all night long. So stop video because I gotta rinse here and put my gloves, okay?